New federal scrutiny over child care funding is leaving many providers waiting for answers.
This comes after federal officials announced tougher verification requirements nationwide following fraud investigations in Minnesota. So tonight we are asking what still has not been clarified for child care providers as these new requirements take effect.
News 13's Elijah Skipper is at a local child care center tonight with what providers say they are still waiting to hear. Elijah?
Here at the Christine Avery Learning Center, leaders tell me that they still don't have clear guidance from state or federal government. CEO CeCe Weston tells me that if these proposed changes were enacted, then it would have, quote, severe impacts on their children, families, and employees.
First, I have activated our Defend the Spend system for all ACF child care payments across America.
The Trump administration says it is tightening oversight of federal child care funding nationwide. The announcement came from Deputy Health and Human Services Secretary Jim O'Neill, who posted on social media outlining the new requirements.
Starting today, we require a justification, receipt, or photo evidence before we make a payment.
Federal health officials clarified that payments to states like North Carolina have not been frozen, but that additional reporting and verification are now required.
Let me be crystal clear. ACF expects every state to uphold the highest standards of oversight, monitoring, and accountability for federal dollars.
In 2025, North Carolina received more than $426 million in federal child care funding, money that helps low-income working families afford care and keeps child care centers open.
Any dollar stolen by fraudsters is stolen from those children.
Attorney General Jeff Jackson and NCDHHS Secretary Dev Sangvi say North Carolina has not received official notice of a federal funding freeze. They say North Carolina issues child care subsidy payments only after attendance is submitted, meaning the federal notification does not currently apply to the state. State leaders also emphasize that North Carolina already has fraud monitoring systems in place, including random attendance checks, investigations, and corrective action plans, and say any overpayments are returned to the state.
State officials say more guidance could come in the days ahead. According to the North Carolina Department of Commerce, getting parents back to work could generate an estimated $13.3 billion in economic impact. In Asheville, Elijah Skipper, News 13.